Welcome back to Overheat, Aston Martin Motorhome 2026. Iconic exterior design. This motorhome's exterior is probably going to be very aerodynamic, influenced by Aston Martin sports cars like the DB12 or Vantage. It will be characterized by athletic proportions and flowing body lines. Carbon fiber accents. Using carbon fiber on external components such as the roof, side skirts, and rear diffuser will give the appearance that the vehicle is lightweight but highly functional. Aston Martin Wings badge. The recognizable Wings emblem will be shown on the front grille, wheels, and rear fascia, among other places. Luxurious and high-tech interior. The driver's seat will be modeled after the cockpit of a sports car and will be furnished with luxury materials like Alcantara, premium leather, and carbon fiber or veneered wood accents. A sizable digital touchscreen that is connected to the infotainment system and car controls will be located on the dashboard. With opulent, ergonomic leather couches, the living space will provide optimal comfort. There will be adjustable ambient lighting and a simple yet practical design. Modern appliances will be installed in the kitchen, and opulent materials like marble or natural stone, as well as premium sanitary ware, will be used in the bathroom. An integrated smart home system will operate the entire motorhome. Using a touch panel on the wall or a smartphone app, users may regulate the lighting, temperature, entertainment, and security. The master bedroom has a bed that can be concealed or pulled out, making it a multi-purpose area when not in use. Satellite connectivity, no matter where you are. A satellite internet connection keeps you linked. Performance and extra features. Strong engine. Despite being a motorhome, this vehicle will nevertheless have a strong engine. Most likely a high-performance, efficient diesel or hybrid. Advanced suspension system. This motorhome will include an adaptive suspension system that can adapt to the circumstances of the road for optimal driving comfort. Hidden storage at the rear of the motorhome, which can accommodate one of Aston Martin's sports cars, is a special feature.